Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since my last cooking video, but today I'm cooking something really delicious that I want to share with you. I'm cooking pork stew in a curry and coconut sauce. I'm cooking this dish in the slow cooker and it comes out really tender and really delicious. So please, why not join me in my kitchen to make this wonderful dish. Let's see the ingredients that I'm going to be using in this delicious recipe. Boneless pork, yellow potatoes, yellow onions, garlic, canola oil, grated ginger, grated apples, coconut milk, all-purpose flour, and honey, mild yellow curry powder, tomato paste, carrots, Worcestershire sauce, and chicken broth. Before going to the slow cooker, we need to have some preparation done. I'm going to brown the meat, and then when it's brown, I'm going to transfer them to the slow cooker pot. In the same oil left by the meat, I'm going to saute the onions. Once the onions are translucent, then I add the garlic, the ginger, the tomato paste, mixing well in between, the Worcestershire sauce, the mild yellow curry powder, and make sure it's a mild kind, the honey, and the all-purpose flour. Mix well, and then I'm going to transfer this mixture into the slow cooker pot with the meat. Then I add the apples, add the chicken broth, and you can add vegetable broth if that's what you prefer. Then add the potatoes and the carrots. Then I'm going to cover the slow cooker pot and let it cook for about 4 hours. After the 4 hours, I uncover the pot, add the coconut milk, and taste for salt. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to cover once again and let it cook for 1 additional hour. After that hour, the stew is ready to be served. It's delicious and tender, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Remember, the ingredients and the steps to take for this recipe are in the description area below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I hope to see you in my next video. Buen provecho. Bye bye.